The ingredient list contains all of the components that make up a vial. Not only does it takes from a single practitioner, but it takes it from multiple practitioners. It acts as a snapshot of all the items that we clear. It contains the kits as well as the specific conditions. Practitioners can use this to reference or search for certain items. Clients may want this list as well. Use this as an important reference to what is contained in each vial. You can say to the client that each vial contains the frequency of the item that we are testing. So for dairy 1, for example, the milk in the vial and the actual milk in the fridge contain the same frequencies, and that's how we trick the body into thinking that it must be the actual milk that we are dealing with.